Hello, now we're gonna talk about intangible assets, which are assets that have no physical form, like patents, copyrights, trademarks, goodwill. All of these are intangible assets. Intangible assets that are purchased are recorded at cost. Most purchased intangibles are expensed through amortization, the allocation of the cost of an intangible asset to expense over its useful life. It's called amortization. Okay, like depreciation for plant assets, depletion for natural resources. Now it's amortization for intangible assets. Okay, so goodwill will not be amortized. Only intangibles with a definite life are amortized. Okay, we're gonna use only one method to account for amortization, which is straight line method. Now let's solve a question. On March 1st, 2016, Twist Company purchased a patent for 168,000 cash. Although the patent gives legal protection for 20 years, the patent is expected to be used for only 5 years. Okay. Now, if I want to compute the annual amortization expense using the straight line method, the formula will be as follows. Cost less residual value divided by useful life or legal life. Whichever is shorter, you need to choose the shorter between these two. So in our question, the legal life was 20 years, while the useful life was 5 years. So we need to choose the shorter, which is 5. Okay? Now, requirement number 1 in this question, journalize the purchase of the patent. So the journal entry will be patent, because it's an asset, patent, on the debit side. And he said, I paid cash, so my cash has decreased on the credit side. And the amount is 168,000. So this is the purchase entry. Now the second requirement, journalize the amortization expense for the year ended December 31st, 2016. Assume straight line method is used for amortization. So we said the formula is cost less residual value divided by useful life or legal life, whichever is shorter. And we said that the useful life is 5 and the legal life is 20. So I'm gonna choose the shorter between these two, so it's 5. Now, cost is 168,000 less residual value, which is 0 in this question, divided by 5 years. I'm gonna get 33,600. This is the annual, it's per year. Okay, now did we use the patent for 1 year? No, it was purchased on March 1st, and I need to record this adjusting entry on December 31st. So it's 10-month period. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 10 months. So I need to multiply the 33,600 with 10, then divided by 12. So we're gonna get 28,000. So this is the amortization expense for this period of time. So again, I need to multiply it with 10 divided by 12. Okay, so we're gonna get 28,000. Okay, now what's gonna be the amortization entry? It's gonna be amortization expense on the debit side to Patent and the credit side, we don't have accumulated amortization account, so it's gonna be amortization expense, and the debit side for the patent, and on the credit side I need to decrease the patent, the asset itself, instead of crediting accumulated amortization account, and the amount is 28,000, which is the amortization from March 1st until December 31st. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe.